Okay, so I'm going out to fill up my seeds for the squirrels and bird. It was just a bird on there, but they take it and they tear it down, the squirrels do. So I gotta put some more seeds in there in order to make sure but every time I come out, it be broke like that. The squirrels got hold to it. So they love these seeds. So I'm gonna put some in it and I'll be right back.